Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 10th, 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From secretive summits at Apple's headquarters to innovative uses of Minecraft, there's plenty to explore. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has been quietly hosting global police summits at its Cupertino headquarters, where law enforcement officials from around the world gather to learn how to leverage Apple products for surveillance and policing. These summits coincide with the International Association of Chiefs of Police conference and have seen participation from 7 countries. Despite Apple's historical resistance to law enforcement, particularly after its refusal to assist the FBI in unlocking an iPhone, the company has been increasing its collaboration with police agencies. Discussions at these summits have included the use of iPhones, Vision Pro, and CarPlay for policing tasks, with presentations from police on successful applications of Apple technology. Notably, the New Zealand police showcased an iOS app called On Duty, which connects to a national intelligence database. This collaboration highlights a tension between Apple's pro-privacy marketing and its role in facilitating police surveillance, raising questions about consumer privacy. In a significant cybersecurity breach, Chinese hackers have infiltrated the systems of 3 major US internet service providers, AT&T, Lumen, and Verizon, compromising security backdoors intended for lawful wiretaps by US law enforcement. This breach, attributed to the Chinese government's espionage group Salt Typhoon, potentially allowed access to sensitive communication data for months. This incident underscores Apple's long-standing position against creating backdoors in its devices, a stance reinforced by its refusal to comply with FBI requests to unlock iPhones. Apple argues that any backdoor could be exploited by malicious actors, as demonstrated by this recent hack. The company maintains that encryption systems must be fully secure, as partial security is inherently flawed. The Home Depot and H-E-B are rolling out Apple Pay and other tap-to-pay methods in select stores across the US. The Home Depot, which had previously dropped support for Apple Pay in 2015, has not confirmed which locations are accepting it. Meanwhile, H-E-B, a Texas-based grocery chain, announced that it will implement Apple Pay in all its stores throughout October. This move marks a significant shift for both retailers, aligning with the growing trend of contactless payments. Currently, Walmart remains one of the few large retailers in the US that does not accept Apple Pay. The introduction of Apple Pay is expected to enhance customer convenience and streamline checkout experiences. Amazon has announced the addition of Apple TV Plus to its channel store in the United States, allowing Amazon Prime members to access popular Apple TV Plus shows directly through the Amazon platform. This integration, announced by Mike Hopkins, Amazon's Senior Vice President of Prime Video, is part of a broader trend in the streaming industry where platforms collaborate to offer bundled services. Starting later this month, Apple will also begin selling subscriptions to its TV Plus service through Amazon Prime, enhancing convenience for users. This partnership is expected to attract more subscribers to both Amazon and Apple, providing a more comprehensive selection of content for viewers. A group of developers has recreated the iconic Bad Apple animation within Minecraft, achieving 20 frames per second at a resolution of 512 by 384. This project required significant ingenuity and collaboration, as the developers aimed to avoid using command blocks, mods, or data packs, opting for a purely vanilla approach. They faced challenges due to Minecraft's slow simulation and rendering engines, but overcame these by using structure blocks and optimizing the rendering process. The project showcases technical prowess and creativity, making it a notable achievement in the Minecraft community. The world file is available for download for those interested in experiencing this innovative creation firsthand. A recent survey by Piper Sandler reveals that iPhone ownership among US teens remains high, with 87% owning an iPhone. However, there's a slight decrease in the percentage of teens planning to upgrade to the iPhone 16, with 22% expressing intent to upgrade. A significant finding is that 30% of teens would be motivated to upgrade due to upcoming Apple Intelligence features, expected to debut with iOS 18.1 later this month. These features, including Genmoji, Image Playground, and ChatGPT integration, are likely to appeal to teens eager for new technology. The release of iOS 18.2 in December is expected to further stimulate interest in upgrading. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.